So I would request the guests to stand for our national anthem. Please. भारत भाग्य विधाता उत्कल गंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जगति तरंगा तब शुभ नामे जागे तब शुभ आशीष मागे
Belief has inspired people to pursue. Isn't it tremendous how the world comes alive when music fills the air and feet begin to tap a rhythm and delights the heart? Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the much-awaited celebration of Sai Kiran Nrityalaya for completing its glorious 10 years. I am Hina and I am delighted to be your host for this evening where we will experience the magic of dance.
Power, Rasa and Nritya. We have an incredible line of performance that will showcase the hard work and dedication of the talented students. But before we dive into the mesmerizing performance, let's take a moment to thank our instructor, Srimati Amrita Sahu, without whom this event would not have been possible. I would request Amrita ma'am to come and to speak something on stage.
I would like to welcome our respected guests, dignitaries. Following an auspicious movement as we prepare to light the lamp, a tradition that signifies the dispelling of darkness and the arrival of knowledge, wisdom and positivity. The radiance of the lamp also symbolizes the light of wisdom that guides us through the journey of life. I served as a minister in the Karnataka government on at least 4 occasions. He is a member of the Karnataka Legislative Assembly and the Bharatiya Janata Party. He has continuously held the office of member of Legislative Assembly for the Mahadev constituency. Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh (RSS) early in his life and is involved for over 35 years. He has been a Vidyarthi Parishad over the years. Words may thank you, sir and madam, for gracing us with your presence and leading us in this significant ceremony. Let the light of the lamp guide us through the rest of our event and beyond. Rome was not built in a heard the saying, behind every successful person there is always a woman. And so as in Guru Amrita's case, there was also a woman who motivated her and made her dream come into a reality. She is none other than her mother. Srimati Amrita Sahu represents the future of the ancient art form. Since the age of 3, she has been passionate about communicating through this unique dance style. SKN, Sai Kiran Nrityalaya, is a sincere result of her undying passion, self-motivation and dedication towards Amrita's journey in Odisha. She was mesmerized and her eyes filled with the new future when she was accompanying her aunt for her Odissi dance lessons.
At the age of 3, she came under the guidance of late Sri Guru Anil Kumar Linka, with whom she got trained for the next 9 years. At the age of 15, she came under the influence of Guru Harihar Mahanti, with whom she consulted Guru Srimati Meena Kumari Sahu and Guru Srimati Meera Das. Sai Kiran Nrityalaya, formerly called as Sai Girls Odissi Dance Center, started its journey in 2013, 6 September, with only twin sisters of Sai Kiran Nrityalaya.
With over 70 students of various age groups in its county, Sai Kiran Nrityalaya is growing and showcasing that talent has no limits. Sai Kiran Nrityalaya has been instrumental in propagating a rich culture through Odissi. Please put your hands together for Guru Srimati Amrita Sahu. I would like to request ma'am to come on the stage and say,
Hey everyone, Namaste. I heartily welcome one and all present here. A warm welcome to all the distinguished guests of this beautiful evening. We are honored to have with us today Arvind Limbawale sir, Surya Bhai, Simita Nani, my parents, Nagesh Reddy sir, Rajesh Reddy sir, and Sishi Reddy sir. My special thanks to Shri Arvind Limbawale sir for his presence in this function amidst his busy schedule. Madam is little occupied with her busy schedule, so she could not make it for the event. We are delighted that you are here. I also welcome Surya Bhai, Simita Nani, all our dear parents, supportive family, everyone present with us here. A huge round of applause for the guests present. Given a thought of opening a dance academy, though I was very passionate about Odissi dance. The plan was to take a break from my IT career for a year or two and then resume job in IT. Just one day after my last day in Accenture, I was narrating my mom how boring it is to only manage household work at home. My son was a year and a half old then. My mom suggested, why don't I start teaching Odissi dance to small children so that I would spend my time joyfully amidst many children. This sounded interesting to me. I just posted a Google free ad and got a call from 2 twin sisters. So that was an auspicious beginning. From 2 to 3, 3 to 6, the number started multiplying. My living room at Saranya Enclave found it difficult to fit the increasing numbers. I had to take a different place on rent for my classes. I would say there is some supernatural power of my parents, tremendous support of my husband and my son, and the love and good wishes from all of you which has brought positivity in my life. I feel so fortunate to have established Sai Kiran Nrityalaya that I have not tasted failure in anything I have tried to do. I have cleared many tests in the first attempt, and there are instances restarting my corporate life after a gap of 8 years. Getting through tough selection procedures for receiving awards in dance and so on. I feel immense pride when the jewels of Sai Kiran Nrityalaya bring laurels in the external competitions. I feel ecstatic when I am with my bunch of disciples. I remain in cloud 9 when my guru says, you have got the best set of students. I become little selfish when I say my students are the best. My message for my students would be, let's be honest and fair in what we are doing. There is no harm in being a slow learner, but let's be sure that whatever we are learning, we should be able to present it with clarity. The most important thing, let's be obedient to our parents. My message for the family of my vision has inspired me to become more humble and grounded, and I am incredibly excited about the future. As we proceed, I can surpass your highest hopes and create enduring memories. I am grateful of the connections that we have made and thankful for the chance to be of service to you. I appreciate you being there for me always. Your support has been an aura of life for me. Jai Jagannath. I would like Mr. Arvind Limavali.
Sai Kiran has completed 10 years of his dance school. On this occasion, I congratulate, wish her, Amrita Sahu, that this school grow more. For along with me to wish Ravinarayan Sahu is on the list. Sita Nani is on the list. Shubha Prakash ji on the list. Rashmi Sahu ji on the list. And our local leaders, Nagesh Reddy, Rajesh Reddy, Shashi Reddy are also there. I heard from the organizers, the school is in Munefala, is having a lot of Odia people, also West Bengal, also more Munefala people. So, new culture is emerging in Bangalore. That in Madhepura constituency. Odia dance, Odia culture is one side, and we recently celebrated Durga Puja. On that occasion also, people have celebrated, performed their performance in cultural events. And originally Karnataka also there. Totally cosmopolitan culture is emerging here. So again, this all belongs to Sanatana Dharma. Whoever opposes, I don't believe this culture will not going to change. New culture is emerging. Along with this, so I request who are all sitting here and you all don't want to go back to Odisha. You want to stay in Bangalore. Even COVID, you went back and you came back. Not only you came back along with your parents. And in the flood, particularly in Nekola, I thought that you people will leave the Nekola. Leaders have published a book. It is very easy to learn through book. That book name is Naam Kannadiga to Naam Kannadiga. Naam means me. So that book is there. And also, so Odia dance is similar to Bharatanatyam. It will be little slower than Bharatanatyam. I saw several places. And recently I got the opportunity to felicitate gurus in Blue Horizon School from our party. So Bharatanatyam, Odia dance.
The article is being manufactured under the dance.
Kuchipudi is Odia now.
Using under the dance.
So all type of dances. I am speaking about Indian dances, not Western dances. Now, I don't know about the Orissa culture dances, but in Kannada, it has blended now. Western. Today morning I attended one Kannada Rajyotsava. Earlier we used to hear melodious Kannada songs. Now we can. The whole culture is changing, mentality of the generation is changing. So I appreciate all the way you came. Maybe I just now heard the 70 students are in the class now. Maybe 1,000 plus people have trained here. They have passed from here. Maybe some are gurus also. They also started the classes. Let it grow in Bangalore. And wherever the Odisha people, not only Odia people, even for others also, you can teach this. And you can teach Kannada culture also to them. There are good dancers in Karnataka, cultural dancers. So you can teach this to the students also. So thank you very much for calling me here. Because of my busy schedule, I have to leave early. Madam is not occupied. She is not well. So that's why she is not here. Of course, she was anxious to attend this program because of the ill health. She couldn't make it. And now she is MLA. In coming days, definitely she will attend your programs. And in student days, she was also a dancer. So definitely she will like this such programs. Thank you very much.
Request the senior students of Sai Kiran Vidyalaya to felicitate our guests.
State the guest.
Mr. Surya Prakash Mohapatra. He is an industry thought leader of international community HR and
speak in English. I'm assuming there are some parents and children who are not from Odisha, so it will be convenient if I speak in English. I remember a story. I want to share a story with you. The story of a teacher who had many students. Like Amrita is a great teacher and she has many students. So there was a teacher who had many students. And the teacher always used to tell stories. He was always teaching his thoughts. It carries ideas, it carries our culture, it carries our history. It carries the life of Odisha and our country India. That's why Odissi is a medium to convey ideas, thoughts, emotions, stories to Odisha. But it belongs to all of us, all Indians. All Indians should be proud of this dance form called Odissi. Beautiful dance form. It carries our culture, our heritage, our beautiful. It took 10 long years. We started as a very humble journey, has completed a decade. It is a phenomenal journey, outstanding achievement, and this is spreading the culture of parts of this great nation. I wish this that the academy, the Vidyalaya, which has completed 10 years, will one day complete 100 years and continue the journey. Jai Jagannath. Thank you very much.
I would start started including all the lessons, though she was very small. Ever since then, her mother has been the backbone to her. Whatever the reason may be, exam, be it any family commitment, her mother used to stand by her side, encouraging and motivating her to perform more. Because of her self-confidence, optimism, hard working, and sincerity in her work, she has reached this level. She keeps her busy for the maximum time of the day to create an identity of her own self and to be the pride of Odisha. She plays multi-different roles. As a homemaker, she looks after her family and manages the household chores. Even today. Thank you everybody. Jai Jagannath, Jai Jagannath.
Thank you so much, sir. So, namaskar, Jai Jagannath. I am not a good speaker. ମୁଁ ଅମୃତାକୁ ଏବଂ ସାଇକିର ନୃତ୍ୟ ଏକାଡେମୀକୁ କଂଗ୍ରାଚୁଲେସନ୍ କରୁଛି for completing 10 years and all the students and their parents. Thank you so much for being here. Actually, मैं अमृता को कभी भी रिक्वेस्ट करती हूँ जैसे हमारा एसोसिएशन is very passionate about our culture and being a mother, house and professional. Also, she is a holistic dancer and teacher. So, इतना डेडिकेटेडली वो काम कर रही है, उसलिए मैं हमेशा उनको अप्रिशिएट करती हूँ. कभी भी इवन कोविड सिचुएशन में भी हम लोग ऑनलाइन हमारा प्रोग्राम सबके दीदी आई बी देयर एंड वो कभी भी आते हैं. फर्स्ट टाइम शी वाज बिजी फॉर दिस ओकेजन. दिस टाइम गणेश पूजा शी कुड नॉट एबल टू जॉइन. अदरवाइज एनी टाइप ऑफ डांस आई रिक्वेस्ट शी एवरी टाइम शी यूज्ड टू कम and many very well for a bright future. We would like to see you in next 5 years in a very big stage, maybe in Palace Ground. You are going to celebrate there. And thank you so much. Jai Jagannath.
Good evening everybody. My name is Saradian Sahu. Today I am going to sing a Krishna bhajan called Achyutam Keshavam. Music please. Krishna
auspicious beginning. This is followed by a salutation to Mother Earth and to the teacher. Dancers here pray to Lord Ganesha to recover all the obstacles and also to seek his blessings. Please welcome Anisha, Shreyanshi, Lavisha, Sayona, Ashrika, Shreya Shri, Srinidhi and Harshita on stage.
Oh पुत्र यदा हि धर्मस्य ग्लानिर्भवति भारत अभ्युत्थानमधर्मस्य तदात्मानं सृजाम्यहम् परित्राणाय साधूनां विनाशाय च दुष्कृता धर्म संस्थापनार्थाय संभवामि युगे संभवामि युगे संभवामि युगे जने विहित बहित चरित्र भेद केशव दूत मीरा जय जगदीश हरे जय जगदीश हरे जय जगदीश हरे विपुल तिष्ठति पृष्ठे धरणी धरणाक्षीर चन्द्रगरिष्ठे केशवधृता पाशवरूपा जय जगदीश हरे जय जगदीश हरे जय जगदीश हरे दर्शन शिखरे धरणी तबलना हासिनी कलंक कले बनी मोला हे सब भूत सुकर रूप जय जगदीश हरे जय जगदीश हरे जय जगदीश हरे विघ्नमणि बलिमभूतवामनं पदनखनिदा जनित जन पावनं केशव धृत वामन रूप जय जगदीश हरे जय जगदीश हरे जय जगदीश हरे पति दशमुख मौलि बलिन्द्राणीयम् केशधीर राम शरीर जय जगदीश हरे जय जगदीश हरे जय जगदीश हरे सदे मासनं जलदा अणदिवीति मिलितं यामुनावं केशवधृता हलधररूपा जय जगदीश हरे जय जगदीश हरे जय जगदीश हरे शनय विनय दर्शित पाशुभागं केशवधृतं ऊर्ध्वशरीरं जय जगदीश हरे जय जगदीश हरे केशवधृता